Goliath will be a world record-breaking wooden roller coaster that will take the crown as the world's tallest, fastest, and steepest wooden roller coaster. Goliath will be sure to place thrill seekers in spring 2014.
Vertical velocity.
We are now approaching Rim Hollow near the back of the park and the future home of Goliath. As our trip comes to an end, we invite you to stick around and enjoy this evening's high-energy parade. Full Moon Rock Explosion, which kicks off in Sector 7.
This area.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop.
That's before it had all the holes in it.
The Scenic Railway. And thanks for visiting Six Flags.
There's RMC maintenance vehicles in there, so.
They've taken out all the footings.